Store needles for sewing. Organizing needles can be a problem, even with a pincushion. Sometimes needles stick all the way down into the pincushion, making it hard for you to pull them out again. And most of the time, needles just keep disappearing. If you have problems with needle storage, this article can surely help you. Below are some tips on effectively storing sewing needles. Have a small plastic box. Choose a plastic box that has several compartments, which can be used to store different sizes of needles. Make sure to put like needles together in the individual compartments. Don't forget to label the compartments, so you know immediately what each compartment holds without having to pull out a needle. This kind of plastic box is readily available in sewing supply stores. Keep the needles in the sewing machine drawer. If you use a sewing machine, it will prove practical if you keep the needles in the sewing machine drawer. You can easily access the needles this way and change needles as conveniently as possible. Make sure to keep the needles in the packages they came in, because spreading them out in the drawer is the easiest way to lose them. Use TicTac boxes. The structure of TicTac box is very practical for storing needles of any size. You can line the boxes with cotton, so you can easily slip the needles out. Again, make sure to label the TicTac boxes. Place packs of silica gels in the containers. Sewing needles are prone to rusting, especially the old ones. To protect them from rust, make sure to put packs of silica gel in the boxes. Silica gels absorb moisture and therefore leave your needles rust-free. Silica packs are commonly found in medicine bottles, shoe boxes, and bags. Put the needles in plastic bags. This is a simplistic approach in storing needles. You can do this if boxes are not available. Just make sure to use plastic bags that are durable enough to hold the needles for a long period. Keep the plastic bags in your sewing box or anywhere you keep your other sewing tools. Use film canisters. These are good and practical storage options. They are quite roomy, so you can put as many needles as you want. You can put packs of needles or loose needles in the film canisters. Make sure to label the film canisters with a permanent marker. Put silica packs as well. Make a needle holder. Put your sewing skill to good use and create a little needle holder. You only need to put felt scraps together and make some pockets where you can store the needles. Be creative when constructing a needle holder. Also, put some decorations to make it look interesting. If felt is not available, you can use flannel or any material that will hold your needles. You don't necessarily have to spend when looking for needle storage. In fact, you can look through your things and see if there's a plastic bag, a box, or a used container that can be used to store needles.